How to log in onto your Whataburger account on your iPhone. First, you want to open your Whataburger application, and here you want to click on continue. After that, the application will ask for a bunch of access. You can simply click on allow. After that, you want to click on continue again and click on allow to allow notifications. Click on continue again and click on allow for the last time. After that, you will see three options over here: sign in, sign up, or continue as a guest. If you don't have an account on Whataburger, you can simply click on sign up. Already have an account on Whataburger, you can simply click on sign in to log in into your account. What you can also do is you can access the app without having to make it. Or what you can also do is you can access the app without having an account by simply clicking on continue as guest, and you'll be redirected to the application through your guest account. But in order to log in, simply click on sign in, and here you want to type it out your email and password and click on sign in to log in into your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.